So hi friends, it's me Nidhisran, and today I just ordered Sony camera, which model number is HDR-CX405. This come with a 9.2 megapixel Full HD. This can record up to 180 pixel. I mean Full HD can record with 6 uh, frame per second. So I just ordered from eBay, and I got this product delivery from a courier company which is called FedEx. So let's just open that product. Notice it is release template or booklet. I think we should cut from this side. I'm glad to cut that. So as you can see, this is the bill. My name, my address, phone number, VAT, other accessories. This come from Chennai. So let's just so as you can see, this is our box. It's fully sealed. I think this is our bill. Not sure about that. Purchasing bill. Yes, this is the warranty card, warranty statement, and service. Seller said that they're going to replace the product if any damage I will get. They give a 30 days seller warranty. So there's a side. So this is our main box. You can see this is the camera. Inside box there is adapter, data cable, battery, very small size battery, 1 to 1200 14 mAh battery, and it's I don't know what the use of that. Maybe it's going to teach. Anyway, let's see. Here is the guidebook. Guidebook look like damaged. You can see lens. This is the switch to this is our LCD. This small LCD. This is the bottom. I don't know where I should insert the battery. This is the HDMI. So this is the place where I have to insert battery. So you insert the battery and it's automatically on. It's very very low weight, so it's very awesome to carry. As you can see, it's fit on my hand, very small size. So language is Dutch. Next, so it's not touch screen. Next. Set summertime. I don't know what does mean. So I'm just going to go to next. तारीख कौन सा महीना चला मोटो कौन सा महीना चला मोटो कौन सा महीना चला कुछ चला ना तो 6 माह तारीख कितना आज 25 तारीख को ना 12 बज के So you can see this is the settings times is asking for if you're installing. Okay, play memory card goes and it's software. So it's asking for memory card. Okay, let's see. Lens is off. So now he's asking for memory card and not give him any memory card. As you can see, it's on right now. So I did not disable any memory card within this. I think I have to insert memory card because it's showing some message it's missing memory card. I can't also see any button to switch off the camera. Actually, I'm very new on that. As you can see, it can bend up to uh, the side, so you can make your vlogging. Nice me. This is our camera. So as you can see, this is a very small size camera. It can easily fit on your hand. You can see, and this is the data cable which is going to use or just charge your camera or connect to laptop to transfer data. So as you can see, it's very lightweight. This is the camera lens. Here is a switch of camera lens to on. You can just on and on off. This is the really cool features. It's going to save your lens from dirty stuffs. So this is this is very lightweight. It's good that you can record for many long time without feeling any. Here is the stand. If you're going to buy on a stand for this camera, you can buy. So this is the screen. It's small. It's not touch screen. Let me clarify. It's not touch screen. This is the only button, which is one button, and this is another button. This is joystick type button. You can do many stuff with that. And this is the recording option or play option is going to appear. It's shortcut button. You just click on, and again whatever your file is recorded here, it will become appear. And again you click, again camera will launch. So just open the lens. So as you can see, right now I did not inserted a memory card. That's the reason it's not taking a video. The problem is that I facing this camera is this battery backup. Battery backup. If you are going to travel on somewhere, if you want to record big files for a long time, it's not going to happen, because this battery has only capacity to record up to 150 or 30 minutes, so almost 2 hours. But if you are a video blogger, this camera is very useful and very great for in this price range. If you're a blogger, you can just slide a CD and you can just watch yourself on blogging. You can just use this as a stand and you can record your video and upload on YouTube. This is really awesome. Camera is very good compared to this price range. And here is the double mic. One mic is here, one mic is here. It's going to record your sound, and this is studio mode, so the sound is very good. I use the sound quality also. I can see that sound quality is very well compared to other cameras. So this is the menu option. As you can see, this is the option mode, what you want to photo shoot mode or movies mode. Another is camera mic settings. You can change your setting from here. White balance. Right now I have done automatically, is automatic. You can customize. And here is the quality. As you can see, this is the recording quality. What kind of quality you want to? Highest quality, high quality, standard, long time. A standard is going to record on 720 pixel. High quality going to record on 1018 pixel, and highest quality going to same 1018 pixel. The frame rate will be different. This is the frame rate 30. This is frame rate 60. 50. So as you can see, frame rate right now is 50i. When you click, you can see there is just 50p. So it's going to record on 50p frame rate. But for that you need a memory card which write speed or minimum is 18 megabytes or 100 megabytes. As you can see, this is the format. If you're going to record on 16 frame per second, I recommend to use this format XABC SHD. This is a good. This is the editing side. did not use its options because I don't have any idea how it's going to work. And this is the playback function. Whatever your video or camera will be appear here, whatever you record camera or capture photos, it will appear here. You can browse here and surf that. Setup area, you can choose the file name, music for your recordings. You can add music when you're recording videos. So option is not much more, is simple option. Zooming is very well. As you can see, this is the zooming button. You have to press this and it's going to automatically zoom. This is very comfortable, very comfortable. This is the still image capturing button. You can just click and it's going to capture image. And this is the recording button. Then you set chip, then it option will work. Just press and it is going to start recording, and you can record a video as long as battery last or memory card has in memory. So almost I have this mic, this camera, because this is it's my first camera after my Mi phone. I used my Mi phone to record videos. Right now I'm also using my Redmi Note 3 to record this video. This is my first camera for YouTube vlogging, so I'm going to test all my videos using. I'm going to record all my videos, upcoming videos on using this Handycam. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can comment me. I will try to reply you. Sorry for my bad English. I'm learning English language. Soon I will be better on. One more thing I want to show you one more thing, that this is the speaker area, and here you have to insert your memory card. This is the place. It's going to accept a mini memory card, and this is the HDMI cable. And what is left? As you can see, this is the battery. This is the battery. This is our battery. As you can see, battery is very small. Focus the camera. It is 1240 milliampere battery, as you can see. Let me focus on that. It's lithium battery. So thanks for watching. I recommend you to buy this camera. I bought this camera from eBay. In Flipkart is selling on 20,000, but eBay I got this on just 15,200 rupees. So I recommend to use eBay compared to Flipkart if you are in India, because there you can get this product in cheap price. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. If you have any question, just comment me. I will reply you as fast as soon as possible. I'm going to also give the review about this recording of this camera, how it's record. because I don't right now, I don't have a memory card. As per reason, I did not able to record. I have ordered a memory card from Amazon. Soon I will be received. Then I will be make another video about its camera quality, how is it record. So thanks for watching.